What's up guys, it's the BioChef here. Today we're going to be talking about gene expression. Here's a practice question. We're going to answer this at the end of the video, but just to get it in your mind. So what is gene expression? The way I like to think about gene expression is that it's like a recipe in a cookbook. Just like a cookbook has recipes that tell you how to make different foods, our genes have recipes that tell our cells what to do. Our cells use these recipes to make proteins, which are like the ingredients in a recipe that perform specific tasks in our body. Think of it this way: if you have a cookbook, you can choose which recipe to follow, but you can only make one recipe at a time. In the same way, our cells can only use one recipe, or gene in this instance, at a time to make one type of protein. This process of using a gene recipe to make a protein is called gene expression. Different cells in our body might use different recipes or genes to make different proteins for different jobs. This is why some cells can do different things, even though they have the same cookbook or genome with all the recipes in it. So now let's look at the question that was in the beginning of this video. Which best defines differential gene expression? So is it A, in an individual, different cell types have different genomes that are expressed, B, in an individual, different cell types express different sets of genes, or C, in an individual, different promoters are shuffled to express different genes? So pause the video real quick, try to answer this on your own. The correct answer is going to be B, in an individual, different cell types express different sets of genes. So why is this the correct answer? In an individual, different cell types express different sets of genes. Differential gene expression refers to the fact that in different cell types within an individual, the same genome can give rise to different patterns of gene expression. This results in cells having different functions and performing distinct tasks within the body, even though they have the same genetic information. So that's why B is correct. Let's look at A. In an individual, different cell types have different genomes that are expressed. Why is this wrong? This is incorrect because all the cells within an individual have the same genome. Only the expression of certain genes can differ. The genome of an organism is fixed and is the same in every cell of that individual. That is key to remember. So now that we know why A is wrong, let's look at C. In an individual, different promoters are shuffled to express different genes. Why is this answer wrong? This answer is wrong because promoter shuffling is not a direct cause for differential gene expression. Promoters are sequences of DNA, and they control the expression of a gene and help to regulate when and where a gene is transcribed. However, differential gene expression is primarily the result of the regulation of gene expression at the level of transcription, translation, and post-translational modifications. So that's why that answer is wrong. So in conclusion, remember that different cells express different sets of genes. That is very important to know when taking your next exam. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.